Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Lamike. Welcome to today's session. We're going to be doing the Sun Salutations. I have a video on the beginner Sun Salutation, introductory Sun Salutation. I'm going to hang it somewhere up here. So if you've never done the Sun Salutations before and you want to be walked step by step into the sequence, you can check up this video. But you're welcome to try this session. Today we're going to keep it simple but effective. We're going to be moving into the Sun Salutations. The first rounds will be slow so that if it's your first time you could catch up with the movements, and from the next rounds we'll increase the pace. So if you're ready, meet me at the top of your mat. We're going to start in mountain pose. Come into the top of your mat, bringing your toes together, big toes touch, and leave some space between your feet, between the back of your feet, tucking in your belly button, growing tall. Move your shoulders to your ears and roll them back. Shoulder blades together at the back. Imagine pinching or holding a P with your shoulder blades. Palms facing, shining forward. Grow tall. Your feet are planted to the ground. Your upper body lifting up. So we're moving in the poles, north and south poles. Taking a couple of breaths. Shoulders away from the ears. Relaxing your body. You can set an intention for today's practice if you want to. Inhale, bring your hands to heart center. The Sun Salutation is a combination of 12 movements, and we're going to move through these 12 movements. The first movement is bringing the hands to heart center. The second is lifting up, looking at your thumb, coming to a slight back bend. Third is bending your legs, folding forward, bringing your hands onto the mat. The fourth, right steps back. You can bring your knee onto the mat, come into a low lunge. Back, come into a high plank. 6, you push into a plank, also chaturanga, bringing your knee, your chest and your chin to the mat. 7, roll your whole body onto the mat, lifting. 8, pushing into a downward dog. 9, left step to the front, right step to the front, knee to the ground. Left step, the 10th. 11, lifting up, hands touch at the top. And 12, hands back into heart center. Finding mountain pose, taking a couple of breaths. And we're going to start the count again. Inhale and exhale, hands to heart center. 1. Inhale, lifting your hands up. 2. Exhale, folding forward. 3. Inhale, left step goes to the back. Low lunge, hold your breath to step right leg to the back. Exhale, push down. Knee, chest and chin to the ground. Inhale, roll your upper body to the mat. Lift your chest, cobra. And exhale, inhale to lift up into downward dog. Or left step to the front, low lunge. Right step, 10. Inhale, lifting your hands, 11. And exhale, hands to heart center, 12. So that's the first round, and we're going to move this way. I will just be counting, leading the movements and the breath, and we'll continue in this sequence. So inhaling and exhaling, bringing your hands to heart center. Inhale to lift up. Exhale to come into a forward fold. Inhale, right leg to the back, low lunge. Hold your breath, left leg. Exhale, knee, chin and chest to the mat. Inhale, lift up into cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right leg to the front, low lunge. Exhale, left leg to the front, forward fold. Inhale, bend and lift your knees, your hands up. And exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale and exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale to lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, left leg back, low lunge. Hold your breath, right leg back, plank. Exhale, lower down, knee, chest and chin to the ground. Inhale, roll up into a cobra. Exhale into a downward dog. Inhale to make a left step forward, knee onto the mat, open your chest. Exhale, left leg back, right leg to the front. Inhale, lift all the way up. And exhale, hands to heart center, round 2. Inhaling and exhaling, hands to heart center. So now I'll just lead with a breath. So inhale, exhale. Inhale, right leg back. Hold your breath. Exhale all the way down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale. And exhale. Inhaling and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale left. Hold your breath right. Exhale, knee, chest and chin onto the mat. Inhale, lift cobra. Exhale. Inhale left. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale and exhale. Inhaling and exhaling. And if you're ready, if you're warmed up enough, we'll get a little faster. So inhaling and exhaling, hands to heart center. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale, right leg back. Hold your breath, left leg back. Exhale, push down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, forward, right step, forward. Exhale, left step. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left. Hold right. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left. Exhale, right. Inhale, lift. And exhale, fold forward. Last round is going to be slow, controlled, so that we can enjoy the movements. Find Tadasana. Connect with your breath. Connect with your body. And when you're ready, inhale and exhale. Bring your hands to heart center. Inhale to lift your hands all the way up. Look up to your thumb. Come into a slight back bend. Exhale to fold forward. Bring your hands onto the mat. Lift your glutes. Let everything fall. Inhale to make a right step to the back. Bring your knee onto the mat. Take a low lunge. Open your heart. Hold your breath. Bring your hands onto the mat. Step the left leg back into plank. Exhale. Bring your knees, your chest and your chin onto the mat. Inhale, glide your whole body onto the mat. Lift your chest into a cobra. And exhale, push all the way up into a downward dog. Inhale to make a right step forward. Lower your right knee. Come into a low lunge. Exhale, left leg to the front. Forward fold. Inhale, open your hands. Hands to heart center. Hands all the way up. And exhale, hands to heart center. Last round. Inhale and exhale. Inhale to lift your hands all the way up. Look up to your thumbs. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, left leg to the back. Low lunge. Hold your breath. Lift your legs. Right leg to the back. Exhale, bring your knee, your chin, and your chest to the ground. Inhale to roll forward, come into a cobra. And exhale to press all the way down, up to downward dog. Inhale, left leg to the front between your hands. Exhale, right leg to the front, forward fold. Inhale to lift forward. And exhale, hands to heart center. Bring your hands to your side. Tadasana. Take a couple of breaths. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Let this practice settle into your body. Feel the warmth in your body. Feel the activation of energy. All our chakras are activated in these Sun Salutations. Our whole body, it's a full body workout. Inhale and exhale through the nose. Let go of everything that's not serving you. When you're ready, find a comfortable seat of your choice. Thank you very much for practicing with me. The light and the love in me recognizes the light and the love in you. Namaste. Let me know how this practice went for you. You are also welcome to take a Shavasana at the end. I have a guided Shavasana video. I'm going to add the link to that video in the description below, so you can do it at your own time or immediately after this session. If you like this session, make sure to leave me a thumbs up. You can leave me a comment at the comment section, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to help me increase my visibility. And feel free to share with anybody who could benefit from practicing yoga. Bye bye and see you next time.